Good day everyone. I have got a forklift. It's not running good and misfiring. I'm trying to find out what's the problem. I was thinking maybe the gas converter or the mixture, but I checked it, nothing wrong with that. Spark plugs, I've got everything, but it seems to be misfiring. Not running good. I'm thinking maybe the spark plug lead is not the right way. I'm guessing this spark plug lead. So let's find out.